Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today we are going to discuss about the topic Terraform with AWS Part 2. Part 1 we have already discussed in the previous session. So please go and watch that video before starting this, and I have mentioned everything in this blog. If you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link which I will be keeping in the description box. Okay. So let's start now. Task 1. Choose the provision an AWS EC2 instance using Terraform. So here in this session, we are going to provision EC2 instance using the Terraform, which is the main topic which will get asked in the every interview if you are going to give interview, which includes Terraform as one of the tool experience. So in this session, we are going to discuss the AWS EC2 instance provision using the Terraform step by step. So please watch until the end. So first, provision an EC2 instance using the Terraform. How we are going to create that by step. I am going to explain you all that in this video. So please watch. So first we declare the resource, which is nothing but AWS instance or my EC2 instance. So count equal to true. AMI is nothing but the machine image. So whatever the image, how can you say, like you might have already know that there are EC2 instances which we are going to create are separated by OS. Some might be Linux, some are using Ubuntu. So these are separated, and each will have some separate AMI image ID linked to that machine. So whatever the image, whatever the OS you want to install, whatever the servers depending on the OS that you want to install on your or provision on your AWS that you can take by using this AMI image ID. So here we have taken one image ID, and the instance type is t2.micro, which is a free type. You can use according to your need. If you are using hands-on, if you are doing hands-on, then you can just go for t2.micro. In the projects, you already know that depending on the project requirement, instance type will change, and the VPC security group IDs. So this, if you have the security group ID, if you have already created, then you can just give that here. Then the connection. So here we are provisioning Ubuntu system. So since we are provisioning this, here the user type will be Ubuntu and type will be the SSH, and this is the location for the private key file, which is a PEM file. Normally when you are creating AWS instance through the AWS console, there you can see in the end we download a PEM file which will help us to log into that server. So here we can just give that key file path, and the timeout is 2 minutes. It will wait until 2 minutes. If it not get provision under that time, then it will get aborted. And the tag is the name equal to server hyphen count dot index plus 1. Here we are just spinning up the servers. So tag will be the again the name of the server which you are provisioning on your AWS. So these are the required details which are needed to provision an EC2 instance on your AWS cloud provider. Here again I have explained step by step. Create a resource in Terraform file to spin the servers in AWS. It specifies the number of EC2 instances to be created. AMI is nothing but Amazon Machine Image that I have already explained, that depending on the operating system, it needs to be flavored for the instances. Instance type, again we know. Security group, we know. The connection, this connection block will contain the type of connection to be made to the server, which user to be allowed as a root user, and the private key having the access to log into the server. So that's what the user private key information, everything will be defined in the connection. Now initialize the Terraform in the servers to download the required providers. So once you once you go inside the main directory, which is having the main.tf file, this one, then you run this command terraform in it, then the Terraform will get initialized in that, and then we can view the plan of Terraform to check the server spin up with the given configuration. So you can execute this command Terraform plan for the preview of the changes that are going to add. So now Terraform up once everything is okay. If you feel everything is okay, and whatever the changes you are thinking are displaying in this plan, then you can go for the Terraform apply, where your changes will get applied, and the end message will be something like this: how many added, how many changed, or how many destroyed, everything will get displayed. Then you can go and check the console, where you can see the server 1 and 2 got created, since we have given the count as 2. So that's how we create instances in AWS console using the Terraform. Thanks for watching this video. Please go through this video and do the hands-on. This will be very helpful when you are going to attend the interviews on Terraform. Thanks for watching until the end. If you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link, which I will be keeping in the description box. Thank you.